This next story has got everybody around here talking today. A loud, strange noise early this morning woke up families in St. Paul. Some were curious, others were frightened.
And people flooded 911 dispatch wondering what the heck the mysterious sound was and where it was coming from. People heard it for about an hour in and around the Highland Park neighborhood. We sent a crew to investigate this strange sound, and Eric Huntert's here now with what we learned. Again, this is a huge talker today.
It was very odd. I'm going to try and describe it for everyone here, okay? If you took a whale's mating call, added a 5th grader learning to play French horn, and threw in some cheese ball ghost sound effects from a haunted house, that would be like the noise that a lot of people woke up to in St. Paul this morning. Take a listen for yourself. Now, those sounds were blaring at 4 a.m. through St. Paul's Highland Park and McGroveland neighborhoods. We called Ramsey County Dispatch. They received about 10 calls this morning from homeowners wondering what that noise was. In fact, they sent out a few officers to investigate, but they couldn't find anything. The howling traveled for miles right through the walls of homes. In fact, it woke up Rookie from 1500 ESPN's Garage Logic show, and this is how he describes it.
I woke up my wife, and she said, "What are you doing?" I said, "Listen, do you hear this?" Yes, she did hear it. We both got up. I went outside. She said, "Are you crazy?" I said, "Something is going on, and I don't know what it is." It was very ghoulish. It sounded like shrieking whales, or I don't know if whales shriek or not, but it just sounded like a sound I've never heard before.
Yeah, you heard it there, ghoulish. A lot of people are wondering if this mysterious howl was the ice shifting from the Mississippi River after these few warm days we've had. I searched ice shifting sounds on YouTube. It gave me more than 27,000 results. I watched a few of the videos. You decide whether they sound like the noise in St. Paul this morning. Also pretty strange, isn't it? While it remains a mystery, there's at least one anchor in the newsroom who has his own theory. Perhaps the sounds are from Old Man Winter, cries that his icy grip on Minnesota is slowly slipping away and spring is finally fighting back. Cries leaving many Minnesotans, of course, with tears of joy, guys.
Yeah, one way or another, we'd like to see it go. You know, I lived on Lake Superior for 3 years, and even if ice fished out there many miles out before, and I've heard a lot of very strange noises coming from the lake when it's frozen when the ice is shifting, so that's my guess.
But no whales.
Yeah, no
whales here.
Yeah.
So we can rule that out, cross that off.
I like how you described it, whales and a kid trying to play the French horn.
Have you ever heard that?
It's terrible.
Pretty bad.
Yeah. Thanks,
But
Eric.
when we find out what it is, we'll let everyone know.
Thanks.